Welcome to EnglishWords. In this video, we will be discussing the meaning of AAC, which stands for Augmentative and Alternative Communication. AAC refers to a set of methods and tools that are used to supplement or replace spoken communication for people with speech or language impairments. These methods and tools can include sign language, gestures, communication boards, and electronic communication devices. Some people with communication impairments may use sign language to communicate. Sign language involves using hand gestures, facial expressions, and body language to convey meaning. Others may use a communication board, which is a board with pictures, symbols, or words that they can point to in order to communicate. Some people may also use electronic communication devices, which are devices that can produce spoken language based on the user's input. AAC can be used by people with a wide range of communication impairments, including those with developmental disabilities, acquired brain injuries, and degenerative diseases. For some people, AAC is a temporary means of communication, while for others, it is a permanent part of their communication toolkit. We hope that this video has helped you understand the meaning of AAC and the different methods and tools that can be used to supplement or replace spoken communication. Thank you for watching EnglishWords, and we'll see you in the next video.